In the land of wood and water, some call it paradise, there are problems. But a hero rises to save the day. With his best friend Limey, Sprucey does his part to make Jamaica a better place.
Come sing me now. Come sing me Montego Bay. Oh.
Don't give up on school. Singing is not your light.
Did you know that the city of Montego Bay has history all around it?
Let's take a walk and discover some of the places.
I want to start at the old Fort Craft Market. The market is on the fort that was once used to guard the Montego Bay Harbor.
I know, from invasion by Spanish and French forces and pirates.
Let's get moving. Another interesting place to visit is Sam Sharp Square.
It's named after national hero Sam Sharp, deacon in the Baptist Church who led the 1831 slave revolts.
That Christmas rebellion cost him his life.
But it helped to give us our freedom. They hanged him right here in the square.
They fixed up the old courthouse that was destroyed by a fire. Now it's Montego Bay's cultural center.
It's so busy down here. Let's go around the corner.
The cage? What's that?
It's where they used to keep the runaway slaves or drunken sailors.
1806? Wow, enough history, man.
We pass and don't even know sometimes.
Whoa, did you just hear my belly?
If we go up Church Street, we will find something special.
Like what? Bun and cheese? I'm getting hungry.
Focus, Limey, focus.
Okay, what are we going to find? More history?
The St. James Parish Church, built between 1775 and 1782.
We can't go inside since there is no service. Nice. What you call these kind of windows?
They are made of stained glass. The pews are hand-carved from mahogany.
I going to pray for some food.
Alright, just one more stop.
Where to now? Hope it's to a patty shop.
Here we are.
But this looks like a castle.
It was Montego Bay's only source of water back in the day. It's called Creek Dome, and it was built in 1836 to guard the spring which feeds Bay Creek.
If I don't get something to eat, I am going to be history.